Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here. Feel free to subscribe at youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy because Bill will show you how to.
Hey everyone, Bill the How-To Guy here. You probably checked out my previous video where I uninstalled existing door hinge. Now this is an exterior door, so you can see the pattern there. It's 4 inches and it's got 4 holes. Most of your exterior doors will look like this, but your interior doors are going to typically be 3 holes, and they're going to be 3.5 inches instead of 4 inches. So this is exterior door. You checked out my other video where I removed the old one, and now you can watch me install this. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure there's like a bolt that goes through there. You're going to want to make sure that's facing up. Then what you're going to do is use the screws that came with it. This is purely a cosmetic upgrade because what it'll do, it'll make the doorknobs match the hinges. So I'm just going to place it in there. Since I already had one in here previously, it makes it a lot easier. So what you want to do once you line your holes up is put your screws in. And now I do the same thing for the inside. But before you do that, it's a good idea to just close and open the door and make sure that everything lined up right, which it did. That's how to install an exterior 4-inch door hinge. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy, and share this video and any of my videos with others. Y'all have a good day.